All right, guys, here she is, the Trooper De-thatching rake. She's slim, she's sexy, and she's fun. Well, in all seriousness, guys, it's a de-thatching rake. It de-thatches lawns. It does a really good job. You'll notice on this side, the teeth are very straight. It's got a little bit of a curvature to it to get into the soil. And then this is our ripping side. It's got this little curve. That curve is necessary because it helps get underneath the dead grass, and it also rips through the thatch, which is really important. Got a small lawn and you got too much thatch, the Trooper is a fantastic tool. I'm actually going to add this to my arsenal for lawn assessments to make it easier on myself to give our customers a visual. This was $35 at the local hardware store. You get a better deal off of Amazon. All right, guys, so a couple of things that you guys need to know. These straight blades are for removing dead debris and grass. The other side that's kind of twisted, it's got that little bit of a curvature to it. That's for cultivating or ripping through the thatch. And that's why I like this, because a traditional power rake, in my opinion, it really doesn't do that the same way that this does. It's got good teeth on it and it rips through it. Now these bolts right here, pretty simply put, is to adjust the tilt. Now depending on your height, it will depend on the setting that you want. I'm a little bit taller than most people, so I like an aggressive tilt to it, and that works best for me. So I want to show you how well this works. We're going to start with the extraction side first and just remove some sections so you guys can get a good idea how well it works, and then we'll move over to the other side. Now the best way that I found to do this is to pull and push forward. It self-cleans, it's pretty quick, and it does a good job removing it. Now at this point, if I want to cultivate, I'm going to go to the other side real quick, and it's going to scuff it up. Now this is really good, and you can see here, it's ripping through the thatch. So that's the thatch layer, not the dead grass. Dead grass, thatch. So here's our little section that we use, the de-thatching rake, and then I'm just going to go over it with my rake and see how much more we can get out in that section. And these little pieces they pulled over from the other pile, so those are omitted, and that's what I'm left with, people. It does a great job. So take a look at me and my new best friend, guys. It's pretty exciting. I know it's kind of funny, but if you have a smaller lawn, this is going to work really well. I'd say lawns under 2,000 square feet, or maybe even under 3,000 square feet. It's going to take a little bit of time, but this thing is a little workhorse. It effectively gets through it, and it also rips through the thatch, which most power rakes don't actually do. They just get the matter on top of the soil. Guys, if you have any questions or concerns, please hit me up in the comments. I'll post a link to this product if you're interested in buying it in the description. But guys, Pest and Ginja de-thatching rake, have a great day. See ya.